Hello friends. Hello, hello friends. Let us now learn about the previous year questions from AIMS. First question: post renal transplant patient presents with diarrhea for 3 months. Post renal transplant patient presents with diarrhea for 3 months. Post renal transplant. So he is immunocompromised, and it is showing an organism which is measuring 2 to 6 micrometer in diameter, and Kinyon stain is positive. Which of the following is the diagnosis? See, the question is, it is definitely a protozoan parasite which can be Cryptosporidium hominis or Cystospora belli, that is Isospora belli. The main differentiation is by this microns which is given, 2 to 6 microns, 2 to 6 microns, and post-renal transplant and diarrhea, it points towards Cryptosporidium species. These Cryptosporidium species are also common in patients suffering from AIDS also, AIDS and immunodeficiency. So this is one thing which you should remember. Next question. A patient was brought to the emergency with history of passage of small amounts of repeated thin stools with mucus. There is small amounts of repeated thin stools with mucus, and there is feeling of fever, lower abdominal pain, and leukocytes in the stool. What is the organism? It's quite similar, leukocytes in the stool. All this is the picture of diarrhea with main differentiating feature is WBC in stools. WBC in stools with intermittent abdominal pain, mucoid and bloody diarrhea, presents with entamoeba. If it's giardia, always you should look after malabsorption. Then in Clostridium perfringens and Staphylococcus, you won't see leukocytes in the stool. Profuse diarrhea with leukocytes in the stool, then that is points towards the entamoeba histolytica. Right? Then the next is a patient is having thick grey coating on the throat and tonsils, fever, chills, swollen glands in a week. Microscopic examination of nasopharyngeal or pharyngeal swab shows gram-positive organism with a special stain. The stain constitutes. See, it's quite simple that there is thick grey coating of the tone, that is tonsillitis. So it is Corynebacterium diphtheria. For Corynebacterium diphtheria, we can use the special stain is actually the special stain of Corynebacterium diphtheria is for staining the metachromatic granules, that is Albert stain is the special stain. So in the Albert stain constitutes these. The Albert stain constitutes toluidine blue, malachite green and glacial acetic acid. The Albert stain constitutes toluidine blue, malachite green and glacial acetic acid and alcohol are the main components of Albert stain, Then if you see the next, interferon beta is stimulated by, always remember interferon beta, interferons. In interferon beta is stimulated by viral infection. Interferon alpha is also stimulated by viral infection, and interferon gamma is stimulated by mitogens. Here the question is interferon beta, which is stimulated by viral infection. Next question. A patient with history of kidney transplantation presents with diarrhea. Motility of the worms is shown in the figure. Correct organism is. So here you are seeing, actually this is a video which is showing the rhabditiform worms of Strongyloids stercoralis. So here the body gets infection of this Strongyloids stercoralis with filarial larva. So these are the important questions in the previous year question paper.